Hello, dear students. Nice to meet you in this class. Here, I am going to explain to you about the pronoun, its integral or holistic view, especially with regard to the different kinds of pronoun. Moreover, the words that are used in the different kinds of pronoun. So that is the purpose of this class. So just try to understand what are the words that are used as pronoun and how they are used and where they are used. Okay. Now what is the meaning of pronoun? Pronoun is that which replaces noun or nouns. Okay. Now in this, the first kind is personal pronoun. Okay. The personal pronoun stands for three grammatical persons. There is first person, second person, third person. In simple form, I, you, he, she, it. So this personal pronoun has got plural form and singular form. Both this plural and singular form have got object and subject role. They can come as subject as well as they can come as object. So I have listed those words here. Okay. So this is a simple form of the personal noun. This will also come as subject. Okay. This form will come as subject, and the object form is here: me, him, her, it. For you, there is no change at all. Okay, in this personal pronoun. Now, when it comes to plural, we for I and others together, and they for these third persons. And for these two, us as an object and them as an object when they come after the verb. Okay. So object comes after the verb. So these forms are used object after the verb, as and them. Also me, him, her, it. Okay. So the pronoun can also come after the verb as an object. This is the first set of verb, personal verb, which we use more probably. Now we go to the next set, that is possessive pronoun. Okay. Possessive pronoun is expressing that which belongs to. Okay. This spectacle is mine. Okay. I possess it, it's mine. So here mine in the first person, yours in the second person, his, hers, its in the third person. Okay, so possessive noun. This possessive pronoun can also become a possessive adjective when the word my is used in the place of I. Okay. Similarly, at the end, for plural form, our and their. And for the possessive pronoun, it is ours and theirs. Okay. The plural form of personal we and they is coming here. Okay. So understand this. Don't get confused. Just follow and become familiar with this and what are the use used. This is mainly for reference. You can't memorize the whole thing. Just for reference, which word is used where and how and why. Okay. Now we are coming to the third and fourth kind of pronoun, that is emphatic and reflexive pronoun. Okay. So what are the words used? Myself, yourself, here also plural, yourselves, then himself, herself, itself for the third person. Okay. So what is emphatic pronoun? Here I am not going to teach you in detail about each kind of pronoun with the example. You do direct with the exercise. But before going to the exercise, we shall understand the various kinds of pronoun and what are the pronouns used in each kind. Okay, so this is to give you an integral idea. Okay, in the book is given various places, so you don't have a collection of them. Here I have tried to give almost all the pronouns. Okay, a collection of pronouns is my own made. Okay, I have not taken from any book or net. So out of my reflection collection, I have given you this. So copy them. At the end of the class, I'll bring the camera and give you a closer view so that you can replay and copy in your notebook. Please do that. Now we are coming to emphatic noun. Simply I say this emphasizes the subject. So I myself cleaned the room. Some of us are supposed to clean, but nobody came. So I myself cleaned. Stresses on the subject. Okay, and the reflex pronoun, you got subject and object which are same. So I'm not going to teach in detail all those with examples. I'm just saying because we are learning this verse. Okay. Now the fifth kind is interrogative. As the word goes, interrogate, interview, something like that. Question. Okay. So what are the words you use here? Same thing is used in relative pronoun also. The question words. Only in relative pronouns sometimes we use the word that. Okay. Otherwise we use common question words who, what, which, whose, who. And this who, what, which can also come with whoever, whatever, whichever, or whomsoever, whatsoever, like that. So and ever are added together. And next sixth one, demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrate is say this and that, these, those. Those words I have written here. Say point out something, demonstrate. Last one is distributive pronoun. This is divide, give to each one. So one person, okay, that's what is going to be referred in this words of pronoun. Each, every, either, neither, none, every, any. This each, every, any can also be added with other words like everyone, each of them, each one of them, anyone, any one of them, like that. So these are the collection of pronouns in different kinds used in our book and what we use every day. Okay, they are most used. They are not rare used words. Sometimes you use more the personal pronoun, but if you have to express different programs, activities, involving serious dialogue and so on, conversation, you know to use all of them and learn them to use. Our exercise will help, but just now you copy them and become familiar with them. Okay, so all the best. Thank you. Bye. I'll just give you a closer view of these birds so that you can copy them. Okay, hope it will not get stopped. Okay, thank you. Please copy them down.